Hey everyone, we're going to have a quick look at how we make a Google map out of your data. So obviously, because we're dealing with data, just make sure you've got your GDPR and stuff covered because you might be taking stuff outside of your system. So I'll leave that with you to worry about. But what you're going to need is an Excel file with basic bits of data. And there's two compulsory fields that you're going to need. One is going to be the title for your placeholders that are going to go on the map. So that will be the name of the firm, the partner, whatever. And then you're going to need some location data, and a postcode itself is just fine. Like that's the bare minimum that you need. You can also start to put some other data in as well. I'll show you how to use that in a second. So drop that in Excel and then export that to a CSV file. Then go to maps.google.com, head to here, and you want to go to the saved option just there. And then you want to go to maps and then open my maps. From there, hit create new map. And that's where we're going to import the CSV file into this untitled layer. So we're going to hit import, browse, and then find GeoMaps data just there. First thing it's going to ask you for is which of those fields is your location data. And that, of course, is going to be the location or the postcode that you've got. Hit continue, and then what's going to be the title, and that's going to be the name just there. And you'll see that within a couple of seconds, Google will just drop that onto the map for us. Now, you can see that they're all colored in the same way, and that's where you can start using styles to give you a bit more information, so make it more of a heat map. So what I might want to do is base a style on the amount just here. So I can then have it just give me individual colors based on the amounts that are in those fields, or we can also have ranges as well. So that's where you get more towards a sort of a heat map. So you might have that if it's going to be guests for an event, how many clients have they got, or how many staff members have they got, and the higher the number, the darker the tab or whatever. But you can play around with that and kind of create whatever heat map you want from on there. Hope that's useful. Let me know if you've got any other questions and I'm happy to help.